How to fix Samsung Health app not working. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix if your health app on Samsung device are not tracking steps. So what you can do is just head over to your application and make sure it's working. If it's not working, here is what you need to do. In my case it's working, but if it's not working for you, then just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the apps option. So from over here, you need to find the Samsung Health apps. So as you can see, I found the Samsung Health app. Simply tap on it and just click on this storage option by scrolling down. And once you locate the storage option, just make sure you clear the cache, and you can also clear the data if you like. And you can re-log in or reutilize the Google account or Samsung account to re-log into your Samsung Health application and just reopen the application, and it should be working correctly. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.